Yeah, welcome back to Bad Q Garage. We're down here at the Harcourts Family Fun Day, running the little car show that we've got going. There's some great cars that have showed up. Thank you very much to everyone that's participating. There's a couple of trophies on offer up for grabs. So hopefully there's some good cars that wins those. There's lots of kids activities. It's great to see. There's a big turnout of people walking through. Got Aussie Garage here this year. Thanks for the support, guys. They've kindly donated the trophies. It's a fantastic day, good weather. Sit back, relax and enjoy the video. I'm going to capture as much as I can, so I hope you enjoy it. And thank you again for all the support. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, look. So look, that's how you change it.
How's it going, guys? You enjoying the show?
Awesome, Dave. Good day for it.
Excellent. All right, everyone, thanks for coming out. The guys, everyone who bought their cars out today, awesome. It was really good to see you guys out. We need to put a shout out to Harcourts for putting the day on. I believe that's this gentleman here. So thank you very much for
no problems.
Yep.
I did a good job.
All right, now we've got 3 trophies to give out today, and the 3 trophies were voted for by everyone here, not by us. So, so don't blame us if you don't win something. Right? Now, also, the rods on these trophies came out of Zap's Rat. So a little bit of history on the on those things there. Those guys have done the quarter mile at 6 seconds or whatever the hell he does. So yeah. So anyway, coming in 3rd place today in the votes was number 3, and I believe that is Bad J.
Well done. Congratulations. Don't throw it at me.
Okay, Richie, I want to see it.
All right. So coming in with the 2nd most amount of votes, I'm not sure who you guys bribed, but it's number 13, which I believe is the Bad Q. But like we said, this was voted by the people, not by us. So yeah.
Wow, okay.
That's a broken one.
Thank you very much.
That's it. Good on you, Dave.
Wow.
That's what I said to you. Well done.
Did not expect that.
That's awesome.
Nice. And the person with the most votes today, which I think is very deserved, it's a beautiful car, was number 10, the gold Torana.
And that's not out of the Torana.
Oh, no, good to hear. Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you.
Good on you, mate. Congrats.
Well, that's not going to happen. I was going to say a photo of all 3 of us together.
But anyway, so that wraps up the trophy. So thanks everyone for coming out. Thanks everyone who voted, and hope you guys have an awesome rest of your weekend.
And
Thank you.
the old car out there with the big V8, I'll give you $10 for it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Thanks very much. Appreciate it.
Yet.
Oh, we're getting more.
Yeah, I'll jump in there and get your photo.
You hold your rod for it.
What about me? Congratulations.
10 o'clock before I sail. Just wanna wake up, dark as a lake, smelling like a bonfire, lost in a haze.
Gotcha, mate.
Stick you.
Thanks. Take it easy, man.
See you, mate.
Thank you for coming down. Wicked. See you, man. Thanks for coming. Nice. Thanks for coming down, mate. Awesome. Hello, man. First place, that Torana. Very nice. Alright, thanks for watching. Thank you to everyone that showed up and also voted. D come third place, I come second, which I was not. I had no involvement with that, so I'm very, very surprised and excited that all you guys voted for us. First place went to the Torana, the gold Torana. That was a very nice car. That's awesome. He's always coming down, showing up at this event. Really good to see. Harcourts Rockingham, thank you very much. Appreciate you guys letting us to set up this car show again. Very good turnout today. And Aussie Garage for donating the trophies, which was John Zapier, Zaps Rat, Conrod. So very cool, very, very awesome stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much, everyone. Over and out. See yous.